Bonjour. We say bonjour before it is noon Eastern time. We say bonsoir when it is after noon, from noon on, just so that you can songer. Remember, songer. Okay, so now we're going to do some more practices with the future tense PRAL. Okay, remember the first time I say the sentence, I want you to répéter après moi. After you repeat after me, I will break down the sentences and I will explain the meaning of them. Sometimes I like for you to répéter it a second time. If you feel like you don't need to, you can just coûter. You can coûter. If I say words in Creole and you go, I don't remember what it means, you can now pause the video and then go to the dictionary and look them up. Phrases like répéter après moi, repeat after me, coûter, I say them so often that now I want you to start memorizing them without my saying them. I will also do this for the numbers 1 through 10. I will be saying those in Creole. 1. Demoiselle la pral weli. Demoiselle la, the young lady. The comes after the noun phrase. The young lady, pral vin, will come, I swear, tonight, this evening. So basically, if you want to say tonight or this evening, you can say I swear. Répétez, demoiselle la pral vini, I swear. 2. Deuxième kay la pral belle. Deuxième kay la, the second house, that's right. The comes after the noun phrase. We have an adjective that comes before the noun, a descriptor, the second, then the subject, the noun, house, and we put the after that. The second house, pral belle, will be lovely. Or you can also say will be pretty, will be beautiful. Deuxième kay la pral belle. The second house will be beautiful. 3. Fia pral pote valise nou. Fia, the form of the coming after fi is a vowel because fi ends in a vowel. So fia is the girl, pral pote, will carry, will bring, valise nou. Valise belonging to nous, possession, possessor. Our bags. Nous could mean y'all's bags, but in this case, it means our bags. Because nous is plural, it's ours or yours, it automatically makes valise plural. So you don't have to use yo, okay? Fia pral pote valise nou. The girl will bring our bags. 4. Travail sa pral di. Travail sa, this job or that job. Notice that in English, this job, that job, the words this and that come first. In Creole, when sa is not the subject, give me that. When it is not the subject, give me that house. When it is the definite article, we treat it like the. It comes after the noun phrase because it's not the subject. It's not what we are talking about. It is letting us know what's being spoken about. The house, that house, the job, that job. So, travail sa. This job pral di will be difficult. D-I does not just mean to say and to tell. If you went to the dictionary, when you worked on that verb list, the action list, I know that you noticed that D also means hard, difficult, like it's going to be tough. Travail ça pral D. This job will be difficult, will be hard. Notice that we don't use the word be, say, because it is a job. It is not a difficult. D is describing the job, but it is not the job. So we cannot put say in front of it. 5. Zami a pral fini semen sa. Zamia. We use a for the because zami ends in a vowel. Remember, go to leçon de to remember the forms of the. You also want to watch every practice drill, practice sentence video that focuses on the. Zamia, the friend, pral fini, will be done, will finish, semen sa, this week, that week. Remember, you can pause me anytime. Some of you may feel like you are beyond what I'm doing right now. You can listen to the sentence the first time, répéter après moi, and then write the translation down if you'd like. But again, I'm just focusing on drilling the word pral in your brain more than you articulating and translating the whole sentence. But if you want to make it more difficult so that you can practice more in translating the whole sentence, you can always pause the practice sentences for teaching you a grammatical, whatever is being taught for that lesson, okay? Zamia pral fini semen sa. The friend will finish this week. 6. Troisième nan pral parler demain soir. Troisième nan, the last one. We use nan for the because troisième ends in an M. If the word before the ends in an M or an N, we use non because it starts in an N. Troisième nan. In English, we would say the third one. In Creole, we simply say the third. We do not add the word one. But for the sake of translating proper grammar to English, I will translate it the proper way. Troisième nan, the third one. Pral parler, will talk, will speak. Demain soir, tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. Troisième nan pral parler demain soir. The third one will speak tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. 7. Docteur pral edel jodia. If you're having a hard time remembering assoir, demain, jodia, après-midi, you can feel free to go back to that vocabulary list to learn the days. That's going to be very helpful to you with the months and with the days of the week and the different parts of the day. Okay? 7. Docteur. We use a for the word doctor because docteur ends in a vowel. So we need the vowel form of the. Please remember the word the is said immediately after the word before it. We do not say docteur a. I do that because I'm breaking it down for you. We say docteur. The doctor, pral edel, will help her, help him, help it. Aider li. We are contracting aider with li. Aider has 2 syllables. So let's see if this works. Edel. Bien fait. Docteur pral edel. The doctor will help him. And you could say help him, help her, help it. Of course, I'm just saying help him for this one. Jodia, today. In English, we say today. In Creole, we say the day. jodi a, jodi a. Répétez après moi. Docteur pral edel jodi a. Bien fait. 8. Pasteur pral mande ou yon question. We use a for the after pasteur because pasteur ends in a vowel. So we have to use the vowel form of the. Pasteur, the pastor. Pasteur pral, the pastor will, mandeo. We contracted mande ou, ask you. Monday has 2 syllables. Let's see if this works. Mandeo. Bien fait. Pasteur pral mandeo. The pastor will ask you yon question, a question. Pasteur pral mandeo yon question. The pastor will ask you a question. 9. Voler bam en pile l'argent. I'm sorry, I meant to add pral. Voler pral bam en pile l'argent demain matin. I use a for the following the word voler because voler ends in a vowel. Same thing as paste, docteur, zami. We've been using the form of the for the last few sentences because the form of the with the vowel because the words before them have been ending in a vowel. Voler pral bam. The thief will give me. We contracted ban with moins. Ban is used as to give when it is followed by moins or nous because they have nasal sounds. So we use ban moins. We are contracting bam moins. By the way, you can contract bam moins, bum, ba ou, bao, bali, bal, all the time. Typically, that's what we do. We rarely say bum moins. We just say bum. We rarely say ba-oo. We just say bow. We rarely say bali. We just say bal. Voler pral bam en pile l'argent. The thief will give me a lot of money demain matin, tomorrow morning. Voler pral bam en pile l'argent demain matin. The thief will give me a lot of money tomorrow morning. He's a thief. 10. Professeur pral gangou après demain. We use a as the form of the following professeur because it ends in a vowel. Professeur, the teacher. Pral gangou will be hungry. Après demain. Après demain literally is translated after tomorrow. But for the purpose of translating well to English, après demain would mean day after tomorrow. So, professeur pral gangou après demain. The teacher will be hungry the day after tomorrow. Okay, come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. How are you? I hope you are feeling confident. And whatever you had a difficult time with, go back in the workbook, go back in the videos you downloaded and review those things. And remember, CRAM. Go on that CRAM app if you are having a hard time remembering the vocabulary and just look up Learn Haitian Creole with Gloria to find the vocabulary that you need. Like this video. And our next video will be the practice sentences for the vocabulaire of leçon 8. Au revoir.